Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to be a beacon in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right out the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Roblox and then log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your avatar, and once you do that, here you will be sent to your avatar editor. Now here what you need to do is just simply select the options that is ticked in the image in order to be a beacon. That is, the number one is the dark green jeans, and the second is blue and black motorcycle, and the third is ball hair, and the fourth is Roblox boy right leg, and then Roblox boy left leg, then Roblox boy right arm, and then Roblox boy left arm. And once that's done, all you gotta do is just simply select the smile option. Now all these features are available on the clothing, body, animations and costumes option. All you gotta do is just browse through it and then select these options, and then at the end you'll be able to be a beacon in Roblox. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.